UvaUrsi. UvaUrsi.
He was walking so slow too. He was telling me I did not shoot that guy. No, I'm definitely shooting. Start right there. I'm hit. I didn't bro double tap me and then walking away, bro. Hey, I'm doing that. Excuse me, I do a challenge you there?
Wait a minute! Are they not recording? Are you recording, Chris?
You're the 10th person that I shot with this. No way. Wait, what? Yeah, I swear. You're lying. Yeah. It's like an ASD like brand 805 from like the new MW3 coming out. No, I'm glad I got shot with this thing. What the hell? That's sick. Yeah, you're the 10th person, so you got it. Let's fucking go, dude. Thank you. Yeah, congrats, man. Thank you, man. Yo! Look at the brand, bro. Hold on, we gotta see this shit right here. Pull that bitch out. Yo, what? I just want a gun, bro. Dude, let me see that bitch. You're the 10th person I shot today. That's not, I got that on film too. What? Dude, this thing is sick. This thing is sick.
Tactical nuke incoming!
I think my gun died. Oh no. Damn it. What the fuck? Holy shit, this thing's on fire. Holy shit. This thing's on fire. Woo! It's on fire. What? It's on fire. Holy shit, it is. Oh, fuck! You good? It's on fire. What? Oh, fuck!
You should, bro. Shit.
Yeah. Is it here still? I think so. Wag, I appreciate the sentiment. I really do. But unfortunately, oh fuck! Unfortunately, it's too hot and it is broken.
It's too good.
It's too good. It was too good.
Just wait till I blow up!
Hello, mister. I don't know if you'll feel it. I'm taking a nap. Wake me up when the game starts.
Bro, this ain't Milson, bro, you're good.
I'm dead.
This ain't Milson, bro, you're good, bro.
This is Milsim, alright? I sleep in my gear. I run in my gear. I shit in my gear. I shit on my gear.
Oh, okay, bro.
Oh shit, the game started. Oh my god. Holy fuck. My goggles be fucked up.
We got like far down and the bomb's right there. You just cover me, I'll grab the bomb.
Still. Huh? Sorry if I shot you.
Sure, we keep that in their base? Oh, hey.
What?
Oh fuck, like that.
Oh shit,
You see that just fly by my head?
Did you see it? On the left side of the doorframe, barely visible on camera, a white translucent missile shape slowly creeps into frame. As it appeared.
damn.
So, what do you think?
Sorry. Yeah, I can't see shit, it's fogged.
Green.
God, this seems fucking cool.
Yeah, I am with the AI wig.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Got that Draco. See? They won't mess with us now. Dead ass, bitch ass. Ooh. You can't violate the violator. I don't know where he's at, Jake. Hi.
Be a hero.
Get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
Dead ass, bitch ass. Ooh.